Good morning. I'm Riddhi Pawase and I have scored 97.4% in my class 10 board exams and 100 on 100 in Sanskrit and AI. Having supportive and encouraging parents has made it easier, and the universal tutorials has helped me analyze my drawbacks and work on it, which has brought me closer to my goals. It had very supportive teachers which helped me clear my doubts, and the tests which happened at UT, actually the its question matched with the actual board exam. And I would like to share that I'm a boxer and I have achieved bronze medal in national CBSE school games. The flexibility of test at UT has helped me manage my boxing and education. So I would like to thank the UT and its teachers and Anubhav sir. The advice which I would like to give my juniors who have now entered in class 10 is that you should be consistent. It's not that you have to study for 10 or 12 hours. Even if you study for 2 hours a day, you should be consistent to it.